Welcome to the Future Lab, everyone. I'm your host, Matthew, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of high-throughput experimentation, or HTE, in pharmaceutical development. This isn't your grandfather's chemistry lab, folks. The pharmaceutical industry is under enormous pressure to deliver new drugs faster and more efficiently, and HTE is playing a crucial role in making that happen. It's a powerful combination of automation and clever experimental design, basically supercharging the way we discover and optimize chemical reactions for drug manufacturing. Think of it as a highly efficient, automated approach to chemistry. In today's episode, we will explore the power of HTE. We'll start with a high-level overview to set the stage, then look at some practical examples and explore the cutting-edge technology driving this revolution. Finally, we'll peer into the future of HTE and where it's all headed. So, what exactly is high-throughput experimentation and why is it so important? Well, it's all about speed and efficiency in drug discovery and development. It's about radically accelerating the process of finding the best chemical reactions and refining them to create reliable manufacturing routes for new drugs. This leads to getting life-saving medicines to patients much faster than with traditional methods. So, let's talk about the research itself. This fascinating review article, published in Organic Process Research and Development, really lays bare the current state and future trajectory of high-throughput experimentation within the pharmaceutical industry. The core issue is that traditional drug development is notoriously slow and incredibly expensive. It can take years, even decades, to bring a new drug to market, and the costs are astronomical. HTE is a direct response to this. It's all about leveraging automation and really smart experimental designs to accelerate and streamline the process of optimizing chemical reactions in drug manufacturing. What were some of the key findings from the review, you ask? Well, the authors found that HTE is seeing widespread adoption across major pharmaceutical companies. It's proving incredibly effective in tackling a huge range of reaction types, and it's being integrated throughout all the different development stages, from early discovery to manufacturing. And the future? The authors predict that the use of HTE is only going to grow. They see it becoming even more deeply integrated into pharmaceutical manufacturing workflows. It's not just a niche technology anymore. It's becoming a core part of the process. That's a pretty compelling picture of HTE's impact, isn't it? Now, let's shift gears and look a bit closer at the nuts and bolts of how this technology actually works. What are the specific methods and technologies driving this HTE revolution? To really understand HTE's impact, the researchers took a two-pronged approach. First, they conducted a comprehensive survey of leading pharmaceutical companies, gathering data on their HTE practices. This survey wasn't just about ticking boxes. They delved into the specifics. What types of chemical reactions are companies using HTE for? How much automation are they incorporating? What kind of equipment are they using in their HTE labs? This gave them a broad picture of the current landscape, but the researchers didn't stop there. They also went deep into 6 detailed case studies illustrating how various companies have successfully implemented HTE in their workflows. These weren't theoretical exercises. They showcased real-world examples of HTE in action. Automated liquid and solid handling, sophisticated robotic systems, and cutting-edge analytical techniques. The case studies provided valuable insight into the practical application of HTE. So, what were some of the key innovations highlighted in the research? Well, the innovative use of automation platforms and advanced experimental designs was a recurring theme. This is where HTE really shines, tackling major challenges in pharmaceutical development. For example, HTE has helped dramatically improve reaction efficiency and significantly reduce manufacturing costs, but it wasn't all smooth sailing. The study also recognized some of the hurdles faced in implementing HTE. Scaling up laboratory processes for manufacturing, minimizing unwanted byproducts, and making sense of the massive amounts of data generated were all significant challenges. The authors carefully addressed how these issues have been, and continue to be, tackled. It's clear that the review strikes a nice balance. It gives us the big picture from the survey results, while providing detailed case studies that illustrate the nuances of HTE. The authors clearly explained every step and process, making it easier to understand even the more technical aspects of the methodology. This detailed examination of HTE sets the stage for a discussion of its practical applications in the next section. Let's see how these impressive results translate into real-world impact. Now that we understand the methods behind HTE, let's explore its real-world applications. How does this technology translate into tangible benefits for the pharmaceutical industry? At its core, HTE dramatically accelerates drug development. By efficiently screening and optimizing chemical reactions, it streamlines the entire process, making it significantly faster and more cost-effective. This isn't just about incremental improvements. The widespread adoption of HTE represents a fundamental shift in how pharmaceutical research is conducted. It's improving efficiency, slashing costs, and most importantly, getting new drugs to patients much quicker. Let's paint a picture here. Imagine a scenario where you're not just running a few reactions in a lab, but hundreds simultaneously, all under precise control. Robots are preparing solutions, meticulously measuring reagents, and adjusting reaction parameters to optimize yield and purity. The results? You're analyzing data in minutes, not days or weeks. That's the power of HTE. This efficiency boost isn't just about speed, it has huge economic implications. Consider the massive cost savings associated with reduced manufacturing time and minimized material waste. These savings, in turn, have a direct impact on drug pricing, potentially making essential medicines more accessible. The review article really emphasizes how HTE has moved beyond a niche technology. It's becoming integrated into the core of pharmaceutical research and development. This paradigm shift has immense implications, not just for individual companies, but for the entire industry and, ultimately, for patients worldwide. So, we've looked at the how of HTE and its significant what impacts. Now let's look to the future. What technological advancements might further shape HTE's evolution, and what are the possibilities for its expansion? Let's bring it all together. This episode has highlighted the transformative power of high-throughput experimentation in accelerating pharmaceutical development. We've explored its wide-ranging applications, delved into the sophisticated methodologies, and seen the profound impact it's having on drug discovery. The key takeaway is this: HTE is a game-changer in pharmaceutical process chemistry. It's providing massive improvements in efficiency and significant cost reductions. It's no longer a nice-to-have but a necessity for any company serious about competing in the modern pharmaceutical landscape. Looking ahead, the future of HTE is incredibly exciting. We're likely to see even deeper integration of AI and machine learning. These technologies can further refine experimental designs, making them even more efficient, and dramatically improve the speed and accuracy of data analysis. This will undoubtedly accelerate drug discovery and development even further. This research is a testament to how innovative technologies are transforming the scientific process. It's a reminder that the convergence of chemistry, automation, and artificial intelligence is accelerating the pace of discovery, bringing us closer to faster and more effective treatments. Thank you for joining me on this exploration into the future of pharmaceutical development on the Future Lab. This episode, much like the creation of this podcast, benefited from AI assistance, underlining the power of AI to enhance the very tools we use to share scientific breakthroughs. We'll be back next time with another fascinating look at the intersection of AI and scientific advancement. Until then, stay curious. You've been listening to the Future Lab. Join us next time for another exploration into the intersection of AI and scientific advancement. Until then, stay curious.